Thousands of Bengalurians are up and running at the World 10K run, which was kick-started at the Kanteerava Stadium. Some of India's top athletes will be participating in the marathon. City traffic police have restricted movement of vehicles in and around Kanteerava Stadium in the view of World 10K Bangalore 2014 marathon. Vehicular movement and parking is prohibited on Kasturba Road, Anil Kumble Circle, Kaban Road, Kamaraja Road, Dickinson Road, Ulster Road, Queens Road, Ambedkar Road, interior roads of Kaban Park from 6 AM to 11 PM. And the Indian challenge includes BC Tilak, VL Dangi, Soji Matthew and Santosh K among men, and Vijay Mala Patil, Priyanka Singh Patel, Neelam Rajput and Manisha Dattatreya Salunke among women. Well, the Kenyan dominance in the marathon is likely to continue with a bunch of super fast runners from the East African nation in the fray. But as you can see, people having a gala time there at Kanteerava Stadium during the marathon. Several people coming together and enjoying all of that excitement and energy. As you can see, a person is even dressed up as a Prime Minister designate, Narendra Modi. Well, looks like he is garnering a lot of attention and fanfare. So this is the kind of excitement we're looking at in Kanteerava Stadium, beg your pardon, as people have come together in huge numbers to participate in the 10K marathon. In fact, people from all walks of life, young and old, have come together. And as you can see, all of them having a fun time dancing to the music.
Get to make some noise when they come back onto this track. And of course,
Sandalwood actor Puneeth Rajkumar present there. He has been partnering with these people and advertising with them. So of course, Puneeth Rajkumar present there, and how can we not forget John Abraham was also present. Both of them went ahead and inaugurated this 10K marathon.
Right here on this very same track, we're waiting to see who is leading. I want to see who is the...
And it wasn't just Indians, but several people from Kenya turned up for this particular race. Of course, we know that Kenyans are known for their athleticism, and several people touted them to be the winners.
Until we have our... Okay, people at the TCS stand, can you hear me? I can't hear you. Can you hear me?
A lot of arrangements in place for this particular marathon. From 6 AM to 11 AM, several roads have been closed up to ensure that parking doesn't become too big an issue. In fact, we understand that thousands of people have come together at the Kanteerava Stadium, and of course the stadium is placed right in the middle of the city. So to ensure that there's not too much chaos, parking has been restricted in many roads across the city.
And so are we. We are going to be
But we've seen Bengaluru spirit when it comes to these marathons. They come out in huge numbers to be present for the marathon. This time around it was no different. It may have been a 10K marathon, but it didn't make a difference. So many people turned up, and what was definitely nice to see was the kind of energy that these people had. As you can see, several of them also started dancing and having the time of their lives. Of course, there was music all through in the Kanteerava Stadium, and it looks like people were having the time of their life. And one of the star attractions there, possibly besides Puneeth Rajkumar, was actor John Abraham. Let's listen into what the actor had to say.
The energy is very, very positive here. It's Bangalore is a very progressive city, and I love to see the energy. I just saw the CEOs run. I saw the ladies flag off their run, and it's absolutely fantabulous. I saw 25,000 people run from here. So congratulations to Bangalore for having such a successful marathon, and congratulations to ProCam for organizing something that's so special.
What made you be part of this event of this magnitude?
Well, I'm the brand ambassador for the Mumbai Marathon, and I've been a brand ambassador for 9 years now. And from now on, I'm going to be coming here It was a pleasure and an honor meeting Puneet. Lovely boy. And it was so nice meeting him and spend some time with him. So it'll be nice to come back here year after year.
What did you eat and how did you prepare before you went on a run?
Well, I am 20% fit. I need to get 100% fit. It's going to take me another 8 months, 9 months.
Okay.
And then we'll talk. Probably do a 42, do a 10, do a 26.
Well, what's the food that you eat before you come in for a run? What do you
I think anybody who comes in for a run should load on carbohydrates. They need that energy to run.
Okay.
But all in all, I think I have a very healthy diet all year round, all my life.
All right, last one about the weather in Bangalore contributing to
Oh, it's been lovely. The sun's just come out. But coming from Mumbai, where it's 34 and 36 degrees, this is heaven.
Actor John Abraham, there's someone who has always promoted marathons, present for the 10K marathon there. In fact, several people went absolutely crazy seeing him present there. He, of course, started off that particular marathon, and as he stated, about 25,000 people turned up. So you can imagine what kind of a big success this particular marathon was. Those are the winners for you as well. As you can see, it seems to be 3 Kenyans who seem to have taken away the top honours, but they will get a cash prize besides medals for winning the 10K marathon. My colleague Nabila joins us live from the Kantirwa Stadium. Nabila, we can see that there's been quite a bit of excitement in the air over the past many hours. Has the marathon come to an end? And also, if you could take us through exactly who won the marathon. Right, we'll get back to my colleague Nabila. It seems like we have some sort of a technical issue, but this has been a huge success. Maybe summer, it may be that the weather is not exactly perfect, but that definitely did not stop so many people from turning up. Even the CEOs, we understand, came out in full gusto to go ahead and take part in the 10K marathon. Well, once again, we're joined in by my colleague Nabila live from the Kantirwa Stadium. Nabila, over to you. We witnessed the kind of excitement present there. We understand the marathon has come to an end, but if you could take us through exactly who won.
Akshata, I can't really hear your question, but if you're asking about the excitement and the mood of the Kantirwa Stadium, I don't need to say much. If you can look just on top, people just moving out, clearing out, because the World 10K Marathon has just commenced here at the Kantirwa Stadium. Right now, the Maja Run is just about to take off in a little while, in about a few minutes. But the main event, the World 10K Run with international athletes just finished, and the winner is, again, a Kenyan man, Jeffrey Kamworor from Kenya. Last year, the record was 28 minutes is what the previous winner finished with. Jeffrey finished with 27 minutes and 44 seconds. A record time there, a record finish time. The second winner again from Kenya was Joshua. Again, the third winner was from Ethiopia, was Kinde. So Jeffrey, the first winner, got $21,000 as his cash prize, his reward. Then we come to, let me take you through the, next is the World 10K Elite Men, Indian men, who won was BC Tilak, who won with a record of 30 minutes 26 seconds. Then was Ashish Thapa, who won with 30 minutes and 38 seconds. Then it was Nitendra Singh Rawat, who won with 30 minutes and 47 seconds. Let me ask my friend here if I can. Okay, so one of the organizing members here, tell me about the mood. How many people participated? What's happening?
It's more than 1,000 people over here, and it's like
More than 1,000. I didn't get you.
more than 1,000, yes.
No, I want to know the entire count for the marathon.
More than 25,000 actually.
More than 25,000. All right.
And I have not seen this much of energy in Bangalore as of yet.
All right. Tell me about the police personnel, the traffic. What's it like? Okay. I think you have about 1,500 traffic men and police personnel deployed all across Kantirwa Stadium and Cubbon Park. Traffic snarls. Anything that you see?
Well, I know as far Bangalore goes, the traffic scene is really bad, but still the way we have pulled it off, it's like hats off to our team, and especially the people who have participated in the marathon. Hats off. Thank you, Bangalore.
Thank you, Bangalore. That's what the organizers are going to say. Hey, would you know who's the winner for the elite women 10K? I think it's Lucy. Lucy is the winner of the elite women. Lucy from Kenya. Okay, again, the elite women 10K run was a Kenyan lady, Lucy Kabu. And then again, the second winner is also from Kenya. Second winner is also from Kenya, Joycey Chepkirui. And the third one is also from Kenya. Gosh, I really don't know, Akshita, what they eat. It is Lynette Masai, all of them from Kenya. So, like one of the organizers said, the spirit is really high. It seems like Bengaluru, time and again, every marathon, they show up in such large, huge numbers. Only goes to show that how fit and aware Bengalurus are becoming over the years. And this World 10K run with 25,000 participants stands testimony to that, Akshata.
Right, Nabila, maybe the Kenyans are all winning thanks to their names, but thank you so much for joining us with all those updates. The World 10K Marathon has officially come to an end, but the winners are out there for all to see. It's been some great spirit that we've seen out there. There's a lot of excitement in the air. People dressed like Narendra Modi, middle-aged people, people of all walks of life coming together and dancing out there with full gusto. So it's been an unbelievable marathon, just like it is, of course, every year when Bengalurians come out in huge numbers to take part in that marathon.